Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Hope you're all well. What we're discussing today, we're discussing GoPro cameras. So I've been a loyal follower of GoPro for many years. Used the Hero 5, 6, 7, 8. Currently do all my moto vlogging on this. So I've got the 9 Hero Black. And I'll be honest, I'm just getting fed up with all of the overheating, file corruption on the memory card, on the SD card, and it's just a complete pain in the ass when you're moto vlogging. You've got to have wires everywhere, especially with this. If you want to do have some really good audio, you need the media mod. So you need this outer attachment which bulks up the camera. So when you've got it mounted on your front here, then you've got cables coming out of here and up into your helmet. So we're going for not a brand new, well, it's new out actually, but we're going for a new camera system. It's going to be a wireless microphone setup as well. So it's basically time to move on. Like I say, I've been very loyal to the GoPro range for many years, but I just think these cameras are struggling with certain applications, and one of those for me is the moto vlogging. So it's been a bit of a journey. It's been great at times, but it's been quite annoyingly terrible at times as well, and I have lost some really good footage in the past. In fact, only last week, on the video where I went up to Hornsea on the Harley Davidson with the earplug review, I lost some footage coming back there, so it was frustrating to say the least. So we are moving on, something new, and it's going to be superior quality footage, and hopefully the wireless microphone system setup that I'm going with will be as good as this, if not better. All the reviews suggest it is absolutely leaps and bounds better than the GoPro setup with the mod and the mic, the lav mic and all the leads sticking out of this thing. So watch this space. We've got the items arriving in the morning, so we shall definitely be excited to get them open and test, and we'll definitely be doing a bit of a review on the new moto vlogging setup. But for now, it's goodbye for GoPro and it's hello for, you'll have to wait and see. So tune in very soon and we'll have the unboxing video. In fact, we'll probably do the unboxing video tomorrow, and so if you come back tomorrow night, there'll be a launch video of the new Mid-Bike Crisis vlog setup. So excited for the delivery in the morning with DPD, and get set up on this new vlogging system. It's been a long time coming, so I'm really excited to share with you all tomorrow the new equipment that we'll be vlogging with. So for now, thanks for watching, just a bit of an update, and tune in tomorrow and you'll be able to see the new Mid-Bike Crisis vlogging setup. Stay tuned, thanks for watching, hit the like and the subscribe.